usahay makalimot ang pakpak. Isod na kayo na guys, isod na kayo. Okay, now this time only 5 sides remaining. I'm going to solve all the 5 sides, okay? I think I got this. And I think, what? Oh my goodness, it's now solved! Yes? Yes! Okay.
You know, welcome back to my channel, and today is my first show for 2022. Happy New Year to all of you mga kalol, to everyone out there. Happy New Year. And on my way na po ako sa magic show ko, and thank God 2 shows po today. 2 shows a day. For January 2, 2022. If you are new here and you like magic, do consider subscribing me down below and hit the bell notification button para ma-updated kayo sa mga magic videos ko, tutorials, tricks, and issues sa magic. Subscribe na kayo. And of course, don't forget to leave a like and comment para ma-shoutout ko kayo. So anyway mga kalol, samahan niyo ako. Let's go to our venue. Yes, Tuscania. Let's go! Alright, we're here. Venue. Let's go.
Is it mixed? Yes? Everybody say soul. Pero Kuya Reuben, ikaw na nag-mix, ikaw nag-solve. Pwede ba ako mag-mix? Ate, hali ate. Pakpakan ako si ate. Clap your hands for ate. Stay here ate. I want you to say, just say stop. Say stop. You not stop. Okay. This one? Okay. Remember the color. Saan na siya ang color? White, right? Now I want you to mix the Rubik's Cube and ato i-solve mo through ang color white. Okay. Okay ate, what's your name ate? Sam. Sam. Everybody clap your hands for Sam. Now Sam, I have here an invisible rat. Dili makita na ilaga. Okay! Go! Go! Nawala na ilagan. Iluban na. Invisible na siya. Ibig mo natin. Go mo Ate Sam. I want you to concentrate the color. Kinsay nag-mix? Si Ate Sam. What color did Ate Sam choose? Color white. Everybody say the magic word. Say white. White. Watch Ate Sam. One side is now color white. Pero dili lang isa ka side. Tanan side. Color. Yawiran. Ay pagbuot. Okay? Ate, wave your hand. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. If you want real magic, I give you real magic. Clap your hands for Ate Sam. Sam?
At yun mga kalol, ang first show natin. Let's go to our second show. Thank God, 2 shows po tayo today. So anyway, samahan niyo ako sa second show ko ngayon. Let's go!
What's your favorite color sa Rubik's Cube? Yes, you. Naka-grade. Red? I'm going to solve only the red side. I've been practicing this for 20 years. I hope napamo din. Okay? So I'm going to solve only the red side. Okay? Is it mixed? Yes? I'm going to solve this behind my back. And you're going... What color did you choose, Kuya? Red. Okay, I think I got this one. Kids, count 1 up to 10. Go! Stop. It took me 2 seconds to solve the orange. Kung saan ito pipili ni Kuya? Di ba orange man? Doon sa kamay. Mukha natin. Okay. Alright. Now this time, let's do this. How about you, Kuya? What do you want? What color do you want for the Rubik's Cube? Orange? Very good. Okay. I'm going to solve the color orange. Alright? Lisod ni siya. I got this. Lagi. Lisod ni Kuya. Isa ko gusto mo. Alright, I think I got this. It took me like few seconds to solve only the orange side. Usahay makalimot ang pakpak. Lisod ba kayo na guys? Lisod ba kayo? Okay, now this time only 5 sides remaining. I'm going to solve all the 5 sides. Okay, I think I got this. And I think what? Oh my goodness! It's now solved! Yes? Yes! Okay! Katuhinay mamakpak dito mo ang bakang halas. We need a soap. Again, say snake. Snake. Here it is. Snake. 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 Tabang. Relax, kuya, relax.
Whoa! Thank you so much for watching my magic show. Thank you so much for all the support mga kalol. Happy New Year to everyone out there. I'm so thankful because that was actually my first 2 magic shows for the year 2022. And this is our cat, Marites. She likes to do a lot of gossip and chismis. Anyway, thank you so much mga kalol for all your support. Last year was actually 2,000 to 3,000 subscribers and now we are on our 5,700 subscribers. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment so that I can give you a shout out sa mga next videos ko. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel down below and hit the bell notification button para ma-updated kayo sa mga magic videos ko, tutorials, tricks, and issues sa magic. Subscribe na kayo. Anyway mga kalot, thank you so much for all the support. It really means a lot to me. road to 10,000 subscribers. So anyway, Happy New Year to all of you. See you on my next video. LOL! Say bye-bye. Happy New Year. Alright.